All right, again. Welcome, everyone. Today is August 27, 2025. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. At this point, I'm looking at the NASDAQ 100 and the X 100. 9:30 New York open, and very often we have a lot of orders coming in there. All right. Before I do that, let me put up here my disclaimer. And the most important part, subscribe. If you like what you see, people, don't cost you 1 penny to subscribe, and you will see these studies every single morning, and sometimes I do in the afternoon. Depends how the market move. Okay, so let's get out there and see what we have. Boom. Before that, let me take a sip of coffee here. All right, as we stand right now, this is the graphic for the NDX US Tech 100. Okay, so let's see what we see. All right, first of all, we're gonna point. I'm gonna do this to make a point. Okay, insert object. This was my high, my all high, just to show you how powerful this analysis is. And it's relatively simple. Now, what do we have here? The price broke above, came back to retest. Everybody would think, oh, yeah, it's bouncing. It's going to continue the trend to the upside because this is the impulse, right? Nope. Market have its own life, brought below this point. So this point have been breached to the other side, okay? So establish a new high in here. This is how you follow the price every day, people. This is the cool thing about this. We did this a long time ago. So now we have a new high, and here establish a new low. And you probably, Frank, I don't want to wait all that. No, look, we're doing it right here. We're doing it because of this, right? So what do we have here? Impulse, retracement, and we can see that started a new impulse, came back to retest, come back again to this point. So we can tell that the trend is moving to the downside. Can you see that? Now, what level Fibonacci is this? All right, let's see it. Fibonacci retracement, our last impulse is here. Impulse. How about that, people? Yeah, almost hit the 61. Fibonacci radio. The price is within the Fibonacci radio. So it's not crazy to believe that this price is going to continue to the downside. All right, can we see it? Can it continue up here? Yes, that's why you need to have control or your peak value, all right, or your lottage, or your price, or calculation of your risk, all right. But as far as I can see, this movement is going down. Will it go down? We're gonna find out in a few minutes, all right. So if you enter right here, guys, this is a sweet trade. If you go to this level, which is the 25 buying level on the Fibonacci strategy, that is 296 pips. As you probably know, if you see my old video, I will close my first position here, half of my position here, and let the other one rip to the next level. Why? You always leave your winning trade fly. Don't cut it short. In here, I take up some profit and let the other one fly because it's a probability that this bounce from here. Why did I say that? The natural tendency of the trend on the NDX is to the upside. Let's look at in prospectus. Can you see this? Came back to this point, up, came back to this point, up. So if this move down here to this area, it's very likely that my next trade will be going to the upside. Okay, let's see what happened. I see some little volatility going on in there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, sweet, because I am standing here somewhere. All right. Let's see what happened. Maybe we win, or maybe this continue to move to the outside. As far as I can see, as we stand now, this movement is to the downside. And what nailed this decision? I do always a projection based on the past. This is what we do as a trader. We look at the past and project it to the future. I look 1 month into the past and project 1 month forward. And what do I see? Boom! Now listen to the language, people. You have to make your mind think in this direction. This is what this indicator tells me. If everything remain the same, this movement should move to the downside. It doesn't tell you that it will happen. This is how you determine impulse, retracement, 50% is moving to the downside, confirm here, confirm here. In my opinion, as we stand right now, next up, 100 is going down, baby. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Bye.